Unit 5, Types of Expository Writing. 5.1 Introduction. This section introduces expository writing, what it is, its main purpose, and how it differs from other types of writing, such as narrative or persuasive writing. 5.2 Types of Expository Writing. Definition and examples. This part defines the main types of expository writing and provides simple examples to explain how each type works. 5.3 Types of Expository Writing. Here, each type of expository writing is explained in detail. 5.3.1 Compare and Contrast Essay. This essay discusses similarities and differences between two or more subjects. Example, online versus traditional education. 5.2 Cause and Effect Essay. This type explains the reason something happens, cause, and what results from it, effect. Example, causes and effects of global warming. 5.3.3 Problem and Solution Essay. Identifies a problem and suggests one or more solutions. Example, water pollution and its solutions. 5.34 Process Essay. Describes how to do something or how something works, step by step. Example, how to bake a cake. 5.35 Definition Essay. Defines and explains the meaning of a concept, term, or idea. Example, what is friendship? 5.3.6 Descriptive Writing. Describes a person, place, or object in detail, appealing to the senses. Example, a visit to the beach. 5.3.7 Exploratory Writing. Explores a topic from different perspectives, asking questions and examining possible answers. Example, exploring the impact of social media. 5.3.8 Sequential Writing. Presents information or events in a logical order or sequence. Example, steps in starting a new business. 5.4 Tips for Expository Writing. Gives advice on how to write effective expository essays. For example, maintaining clarity, logical structure, factual support, and objectivity. 5.5 Process Analysis Essay. Explains how to analyze and describe a process in writing, showing how something happens or is done. 5.6 Format of a Process Analysis Essay. Outlines the structure of this type of essay, usually divided into introduction, background and purpose, body, steps or stages of the process, analysis, explanation or reasoning about the process. 5.7 Sample Process Analysis Essay. Provides a complete example essay to help readers understand how to apply the format and writing style in practice.